Do you know Google has 2 hidden apps quietly installed on your Android phone? They don't show up in your app drawer, so most users don't even realize that they're there, which has raised some serious privacy concerns. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find and remove these hidden apps. Let's dive right in. The first one is Android System Key Verifier. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap Help and Feedback. In the search bar, type Delete, then select Delete Apps on your Android device. Tap to go to Application Settings link. Here, you'll now see a list of system apps. Tap on Android System Key Verifier. Now just tap on Install to remove it. And the next one is Android System Safety Core. You'll find it in the same list by searching Android again. Google says this app scans photos you send or receive through messages to detect adult content. If it finds anything explicit, it blurs the photo and asks whether you want to view it. If you don't want it, just tap on the app and tap Uninstall. That's how you can remove those 2 secret apps that Google installed on your phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.